Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. So today's video is going to be a little late. I know I was supposed to upload 7 a.m., but don't worry, I will edit this as fast as I can. And today's video is going to be a DIY rack. So it was fun doing it. And if you guys want to know how I created mine, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that you will ever need is this device right over here. I think this is called a drill. Just correct me if I'm wrong, girl. I know nothing about this tool, but you guys could definitely buy this in Target, Walmart. There are cheaper brands, and if you think that you will be using it a lot for your house, then I really think that investment would be such a good option. And the next, of course, a plywood. I got this at Home Depot for around $7.89, something like that. So they have different measurements. So just make sure that whatever you're going to buy will fit in the wall that you have chosen to put it with. So I got this at Home Depot as well. I want to be a little extra, so I decided to pick some colored ones, black and white, and they are 98 cents each. And this is very important, guys, because if not, your wall is going to be wonky and it's going to not stick ever. So this is the plastic ribbed anchors, and make sure that is also fitting for the screws that you have, and of course something to support your wood. So some people like it floating, but I love it because this one has a design of a mermaid. And this is actually half off. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Just wait for them to go on sale and grab that opportunity. And this one, I got this one at Hobby Lobby as well. $9.99, half off. And you need a assistant. So I have thought of this over and over and over, and I think this is the perfect spot. So when you open the door, that wall behind the door open, you can't really have a purpose for that. So I just decided to put it right over here so that I still have a lot of space for the entire room. So the first thing that you'll ever do is to measure. So I literally made sure that this is equal, the height is equal to the cubic thing that I have. Oh my gosh, I'm so good at describing. But in short, just measure it the way you want it to. I think the most difficult part, in my opinion, is the measuring, because you really wanted to make it look very, very straight. And of course, you also need a ruler. So sorry if I wasn't able to include that from the very beginning. I really think that you can definitely do this yourself. Some board supporters, you can get them at Dollar Tree. Again, you can choose the type of things that you wanted. It just really depends on your budget. So I went a little overboard with my budget because I was thinking that, you know what, I wanted the best for my makeup room. This is going to be my job in the future if everything goes well. You know what I mean? So I want something that will really last for a really long time. So the first thing that you want to do is to drill your wall using a drill bit. Make sure that the size of the hole that you create is perfect for the screws, and then add the anchors. And once you have placed that, you can now directly drill the bars onto the wall, just like that. So for some reason, I could not find the clip, so I am so sorry. Okay, please don't. Oh my gosh, I can see some dislikes now. I really do apologize if there is no clip of us drilling this onto the wall, but you guys get the picture. Once you have the anchors, put the frame in and then seal it in with your screws. So I love how everything is coming all together. It's really nice. So this is just a personal preference, okay? I just decided to leave it as it is like that. So basically the main reason is that we are trying to drill the board, but it's not really drilling it. It's just literally making a hole. So I was like, you know what? It's gonna work even if I just leave it like that and just put the plywood on top of it. It's not like I'm going to be clumsy as hell. The support is very strong. It's very good. There is no way that it's going to slip. It works. Okay? And of course, that is just a personal choice. It depends on what you are going to put. So I suggest if you think that you were going to put something big or whatever, then that is up to you if you wanted to add more nails to connect that on the board. So if you are planning to put stuffed toys, shoes, and bags, I think this is such a good option. Less work, but still works. You just have to scoot all of the things that you will be putting at the very back, so it's not going to be too much up in the front wherein it's going to fall. But I'll show you guys how this works perfectly fine. Oh no! So I just made a few touch-ups. I just really wanted to make sure that before I put something on the racks, they are very equal, parallel to each other, horizontally, vertically, whatever aligned. You guys know what I mean. So yeah. So again, guys, if you wanted an additional support, just drill this to your board and you'll be good to go. So if you are unsure how to do it, just ask a help for your sister, brother, or whatever, but I'm pretty sure you can definitely do this alone. So I'm ready to fill this up. I can't really express the feelings that I have right now. I am so happy. I never really thought that I'd be having my own studio. Sounds shallow to some, but I've been dying to have my own studio. So I've decided to film the after because the lighting is so much better, though the sun is still not poking on my window. But again, the lighting is so much better. So are you guys ready to see the final result? Here it is. So starting from the bottom, I still have my PR box right over there. This is still full of makeup. So what I'm planning in the future is that put another jar right over here, probably like just a plain white jar. So if I have any sponsors, mom, sister, if you're watching this, please donate. Just kidding. They'll never donate, or maybe they will. All right.